Anduril Industries UK has announced a collaboration with ACHR, along with Skyport's drone services and Atkins Realis, to test dual-use electric vertical takeoff and landing cargo aircraft in the UK. The team will focus on both civil and defense applications using ACHR's Midnight eVTOL aircraft, including beyond visual line of sight, BVLOS logistics missions. Anduril Industries UK has been active in the country since 2019, securing contracts with the UK Ministry of Defence and other government bodies. Over the past 2 years, the company has grown its UK team from 4 to over 40 employees and plans to double that number within the next year. Its focus is on high-value technology manufacturing, with a strong commitment to enhancing sovereign UK defence capabilities. This includes investment in research and development, autonomous systems, and AI-driven command and control platforms, all of which align with the UK's goal of building a resilient and forward-looking defence sector. Skyport's Drone Services is a global leader in drone-based aviation, specializing in beyond visual line of sight flights for delivery and inspection purposes. The company collaborates with sectors such as maritime, offshore, healthcare, infrastructure, and government to enhance connectivity, safety, and sustainability through drone operations. With a strong focus on expanding the use of drone technology, CEO Duncan Walker plays a key role in shaping the industry's future as co-chair of the Future of Flight Industry Group alongside Aviation Minister Mike Kane. Atkins Realis is a global engineering services and nuclear company that has its work span over a century. Anduril will lead systems integration, providing autonomy, communications, and command and control tailored for UK operations. ACHR will adapt its eVTOL platform for hybrid and dual-use purposes. Atkins Realis and Skyports will contribute their expertise in airspace integration and operational deployment, respectively. The initiative is meant to support UK aviation and defense growth, job creation, and the advancement of novel air systems. It also builds on Anduril and ACHR's ongoing hybrid propulsion project. Dr. Rich Drake of Anduril UK emphasized that this partnership aligns with the UK's ambitions for innovation and growth in advanced air mobility. He highlighted the combined strengths of ACHR's aircraft, Skyport's infrastructure capabilities, and Atkins Realis's safety expertise in accelerating VTOL and BVLOS developments, while also opening new opportunities for civil and defense applications such as low-emission transport and surveillance. Verity Richardson from ACHR noted that this collaboration represents the next phase of their partnership with Anduril, with strong potential to deploy dual-use aircraft in both the UK and global markets. Alex Brown of Skyport's Drone Services highlighted that the UK government's progress toward enabling permanent BVLOS drone operations makes collaboration with Anduril and ACHR a natural step. He noted that their initial cargo service project will serve as a foundation for future applications such as surveillance and search and rescue. David Clark of Atkins Realis emphasized the company's role in supporting safe integration of automated uncrewed aircraft into UK airspace by applying its expertise in novel aircraft design and regulatory frameworks. He pointed out that combining local experience with investments from leaders like ACHR and Anduril strengthens the UK's position in next-generation aviation. Anduril UK continues to emphasize its software-driven development model, which allows for rapid deployment of systems, including the Ghost autonomous uncrewed air system already fielded for the UK Ministry of Defence. Atkins Realis and Skyports have also spent the past 2 years advancing the eVTOL ecosystem in the UK through their involvement in the Advanced Mobility Ecosystem Consortium, backed by the Future Flight Challenge Phase 3. This initiative is focused on developing the necessary technology and infrastructure for advanced air mobility, addressing everything from passenger experience and vehicle operations to airspace management, ground support systems, and community integration. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.